Okay, we are recording. Now let's go back real quick here. So, okay. Now I have my table with my fake data and your ages, which is true, and the satisfaction level, the state, and the sales. Once I have this, I added the filters. And I don't know if you like to do it. I always, if I'm going to present data, I try to give some format to the document, so it's the options are here. I will choose the centralized. Try to practice with this because it's good for you to do the exercise like that. And then something else here. Let's do total. Okay. So if I want to summarize this, what I'm just gonna do, put the equal sign. Some of you have different tricks to do that. So I just put the equal sign and I select my column, hit enter, and I did something wrong. Formula is built. Let me go back. Okay. Let me see what I'm doing. So insert, because yeah, I have summarized. No, I have something. I wanted to summarize this.
Okay, is equal to SUM.
Yeah, I have it in some. You see? Okay. Anyway, so thank you so much. But you see, so what I did is go to some here. I don't know what I was doing when I started. So once I have this, I'm gonna mark it like in color. It's just for practice, okay? But for this case, I wanted to add my dots. So what I did is to go to the format here and I add a format to the numbers, okay? Something also that we can do. And this. This is the last thing and I'm done. So just to have some format here. So the other thing that I wanted that we practice is insert. Let me see. Okay, here is the pivot table. So if I am in the pivot table, for example, I'm going to choose this column from table range, and I already select the column that I want to do pivot table. Okay. So I will choose the variable that I want to see in my pivot table, state. This is something you practiced before or not yet? Not yet. And I can have my frequency table with my status or any variable that you want. It's something that you did it before?
Yes.
So if I go to this and I put it again, I can do my frequency table with the percentage. So it's kind of a tool I can use too. That's it. I don't
So
want.
you want us to do the pivot table too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, to practice.
No problem.
To practice the percentage. No, there is something I did again. So let's go back. Let's do it again, just in case. I'm going to delete this. When I want to practice, I think I delete the, okay, here. So insert, I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to do my pivot table, okay? I already select my column. This is when I want to develop frequency table, when I have data. This is a way we are doing a statistical analysis for descriptive statistic, okay? So that's what you will use all the time, more than anything else. Descriptive statistic, more than anything. So what I do is I take my variable and I put it in row, and then I put it again in value. You see? And now you got your frequencies. Those are your descriptive statistics. It's telling you how many customers in Florida or how many students or you name it, in Georgia, in New York, etc. This is one of the exercises. Okay.
I deal with the sales, okay?
You can use anything you want. It's just, again, for practice. So what I used to do when I have this, I give some format, and then third step, and we are done with the practice, is the graphic, okay? So we're gonna do the graphic again as analysis, right? So if I select the graphic, let me do it again. This is recording or what? You are with me on this? Is understandable, more or less? Yes? Yes, we are here. But I'm not sharing the screen. Santo Dios. Yeah, I'm doing the screen. I forgot. Okay, so now, graphic. So I'm gonna use the pie chart. It's one of the ones I use the most. I don't know if you have something else that you prefer more than this. For this case, this kind of data, this is a good tool, in my opinion. But if you have another preference, so here I'm gonna write the word state just to give format. And that's the way we present a statistic. That's it. Like in real life, that's what you will do every single day when you are working with descriptive, surveys, research, results of data. That's what we're gonna do all the time. With some modification depending the needs, right? So what else? Comments that you have? Insert. So that's the thing. I'm gonna add the data label. I have to add the percentage because I'm not putting the percentage, so that's why it's not showing the percentage. It's just showing the label. But we're gonna add another column and we can see the percentage then. Just for illustration purpose. Okay, so here I'm gonna put it in this. I think I have to open the door because it's... It's understandable, the idea? Everybody have it? You are okay with this? Yes. Let me go with it's done. As if you send this in Excel, we are covered for now. I just want to keep doing something for you here. There is something in Excel that give you hard time before, maybe something that you want to learn. Results. So I'm gonna put a name to my, this is empty. This one I'm gonna delete it because I wanna use it. So I click on the tab and I can change and delete if I need, or add colors. If I need to do that. Forget about this because that was the thinking we were doing, okay? You don't have to deal with this part. It's just this and this. So I'm gonna put it data. So when I have a huge amount of data, more or less it's the same. I will, you have something for me, Farzana. Stay on the call. I'm gonna show you something real quick here. Academics. Student. Okay. So this is something else, but it's just to show you, no, we don't have to do practice with this. Uh-huh. That's all I want.
डाउनलोड कर लो इसमें भी तो चलेगा
Okay. 1 second.
इसको ऐसा कंप्यूटर यूज करना है ना इसका कीबोर्ड क्रॉप कर दो
Yeah, but
वो यूज कर रहा है ना समझ लो तो देखो यूज कर रहा है देख रहे हैं कीबोर्ड ले लो और माउस ले लो हो जाएगा और मतलब ऐसा ऑनलाइन जो है माउस भी लेना पड़ेगा आपको जानता है बिना माउस तो डाउनलोड होना माउस पे तो टच करें स्पीड बढ़ी
I'm gonna do it with this data. I hope I'm not doing something. I'm just exporting some information from the system from Reformer, okay? It's the same like we did with the fake information, but now this is real. So it's like data from the school, right? It's just the list of the courses. It's not too much important for I just wanted to show you when we have this amount of data. So, but the system just giving me this. What else is giving me? Let me see. It's not giving me. This data is not, it's not what I want. It's not saying anything. Let's do faculty. Maybe that's something. So let's say that I have data from any kind of business or whatever, right? So what I will do is to export. I'm trying to export to Excel so you can see the exercise in real, right? So those are the teachers here. Some teachers in the school, all the teachers on the school, their education, their race, age, whatever. So it comes from the school. This is the original data, okay? And how many students have, this is for academic purpose, okay? I'm gonna be just killed tomorrow. So here, for example, if we need to create certain presentation or we need to analyze data, like we always do in statistics, right? So what I'm gonna do, the same process that I already tell you. I just wanted to, you see, everything changed when I take it here. Home, insert. Yeah, it's not letting me because I am not in the page layout. You see, I cannot do what I was doing before with the data because yeah, this is different file. So I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna take it to somewhere else. For example, I'm gonna create a new sheet, Control V, and now I have all my data from my teachers, okay, or my customer, whatever. And I do the same process. I give some format and I put the filters. So the same that we did already. If you did the file, you can submit it. It's okay. You did. So for example, if I need to know which of my teachers have this preparation or anything, I can just take them out and I can see just my teachers that are in this area. They have doctoral in professional practice.
Filtering,
Huh?
Filtering.
I do the filtering, yes. And thank you so much. If I want to, for example, to know which ones are certain ages or, you see here, we need to do, to make categories because the ages are spread from all over the place. So we can see here how many female, male, whatever. It's just the same that we were doing. I'm just doing that with regular information, like real information. That's it. So if I want to create filter. Let's clear the filter. If I wanted to create my pivot table, the same process with my t-shirts, my regular t-shirts. I put, for example, I can put the ages, no, for this case, but I can do a gender if I need. The trick here is put it double, okay? So you put the gender and then we can put it here. And if we put it more, we can get the percentage too, okay? Race, etc. But this one is just not good if we do it now. But just to show you how the pivot tables can help you. And the same, once you have this data, descriptive statistic, we can obtain the charts and do our analysis based in the results of the charts. Yes, no, it's something. I don't have too much today, that's all I got. But I'm gonna be fired tomorrow because I'm gonna let you go. I don't have anything, so you are free like a bird. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, just try to submit the exercise that we did in the system. Let me show you real quick this. I know you are crazy to leave. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, you're free like a bird. You can stay with me forever if you want, because I have plenty of stuff for you. Sí, mamá. What?
We're gonna upload the video on.
But it's more or less understandable with this explanation. Yeah, yeah, you can do it. It's just to do the table and the pivot table, the graphics. It's okay. Yeah. So still, yeah, the video was. Yeah. Let me stop this.